Tshepo is off home for the festive season. It's a long journey filled with many hazards. Tshepo has to take precautions.
Face mask, check. What else? Ruler, check.
Whoa, hang on. What's that for?
Oh, this. Well, I use this to check how far open the windows in the taxi should be. Ventilation is vital. Can I continue?
Yes.
Vaccine certificate. Oh, well, I do have it on my phone. This can also come in handy. You never know when you'll need to prove that you are vaccinated.
Yes, Tshepo can be quite thorough sometimes.
Look, I know that we are heading into the festive season, and we tend to be a bit relaxed, but we can't afford to let our guard down. COVID is still with us. And that's why, I make sure that I have everything with me. Face mask, ruler, sanitizer, and I'm good to go. And when I am at home, ngiyaqinisekisa uba imicimbi nayo yonke into happens outdoors.
Tshepo can be very thorough sometimes, but that's probably because he wants to survive this year's festive trip home so he can see his family again next year. Remember the double V's: vaccinate and ventilate, so that you can stop the spread of COVID-19. But even if you are vaccinated, you still need to take COVID-19 precautions. Wear a mask, social distance, wash your hands, and keep some windows open. If you're going to jol in small groups, jol outside. Cut back the chances that you'll catch COVID. This message is brought to you by COVID Comms.